welcome to my channel. Angela here. Today I am going to be painting this vase, whatever you want to call it, vase, flower vase. This is what I'm going to be painting. I'm going to be using tons of colors to paint it. It's basically just fluid color, acrylic, fluid paint, acrylic paint. So I'm gonna bring you down, show you what colors I'm gonna use, and then we'll get started. I hope you're having a good day, and thank you for visiting my channel. So yeah, so guys, this is what I'm gonna use, and once I have painted it, all the paint that I'm gonna paint the vase with, most of it will fall on this canvas. Then I'm gonna have the same colors paint as the vase on the canvas, if that makes sense. So yeah, we can go ahead and get started. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put all the paint in here in this pouring thingy container in layers, and then I'll pour it on top of this thing, the vase, and then we'll see how it turns out. Okay, all right. So the color that you want to be on the outside when the painting is done, or the vase is done, is the color you're gonna put in the bottom, in the first. So I think I want yellow to be, but before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and put some baby oil on here. That way this makes the paint move a little bit better. If you're new to my channel, it's great to have you here. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest and future videos. And I think I'm just gonna do red right now and leave the others. So now this is done. We are going to, this might be a little too close to the camera, might be too close, but yeah, you get the idea. So basically, any way you want to pour this, just go ahead and pour it around. You can pour it around first, just to make sure it saturates. And then, very nice. And then just pour in the middle. And what's gonna end up happening is this paint is gonna go over and down. Guys, I do have kids, so if you hear any background noise, a little bit background noise, is my kids playing. Ooh, it looks so beautiful. See what I was talking about, putting that oil in there, all the paint is come down out. There's no paint stuck on the cup anymore, see? So give it a couple 3 minutes, and then it's all gonna come drip down and cover the vase. But I'm gonna go ahead and show you how it looks right now. And I'm thinking, actually, I want red, a little bit red, more red on the top. So maybe I'll add a little bit red. And again, you can add as much paint as you want, as long as all the extra goes to the canvas, because we're gonna make a painting on the canvas. So yeah, you can add a little bit more, and this is gonna drip down as well. I wanted more red and yellows on. I don't want it to fall, but I don't want it to just go on one side. We are going to need more paint anyways, that way we can have our canvas covered with paint. So this is okay, it's not gonna be too much. There we go. This is what I'm looking for here. There. It is so beautiful. So yeah, it's gonna drip down. Give it a couple minutes. And then we have a beautiful vase. I'll show you how it looks so far. This is the top, and then we have the bottom here. Look how beautiful those colors are, and they're all around. Now in the bottom, this is the puddle that it created. I might have put a little bit too much oil in there. Hope it doesn't separate my paint, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Yeah, see? Beautiful, beautiful. And it took what? You know, with all the preparation and everything, it probably just took about maybe 15 minutes. Very simple. Okay, so I'll go ahead and let it drip a little bit, and then I'll come back with my kids are screaming. I'll come back with how I'm gonna do the canvas. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, guys, I am going to go ahead and take out the vase and put it on the side, and then I'll do my canvas. I'll do my painting, and then you will see how it looks like. Okay, ready? This is a challenge, but it's gonna be okay. I hope I don't drop it. We just put it down there. And don't worry about the marks that I make, because the paint is still dripping. And it's gonna drip down some more and cover those markings. That the fingerprints that I just made when I touched it to move it. So nothing to worry about there. Okay, so now this one, gotta be very careful so I don't move this vase and drop it. It's very important that I do not drop it anywhere. This is just tilting. It's not gonna be a big deal. Just tilt. The only thing that I might have to do is put a little bit white paint around this to be able to move it, because right now it's moving very badly. Just put that there. spread it with my palette knife. Just so it will make the paint move there. The paint move into the corners of the canvas. Very pleased with the way it turned out, but as you guys know that I have a problem with my lights, but ignore the lights and just look at the painting. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful this is. The reddish. This is where I added that little red part right there. Come on. Doesn't want to focus. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. So look how beautiful that is. And all that paint was just the paint I was using to that dropped from the vase down to the canvas. Yeah, so and the vase is right over here drying. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Share with your friends and family. And God bless. Bye.